Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be unboxing one of our favorite, best-selling and most affordable boxes in the Indian market. And yes, you guessed it right, it is the GLAMEGO subscription box. This box is priced at rupees 399, but if you go for a long-term subscription, you will get it for rupees 299 per month. So guys, I am always eager to try this box. Let me start by opening this box. And GLAMEGO has really taken the Indian market by the storm. It is upping the game like no one's business, guys. So from within, here comes a beautiful colorful box right in the theme of Holi, girl boss. So a very thoughtful gesture actually, and this time the box is different. So every time we had a soft box, I mean they had started with a good decorative box, but it was a soft box. This time the texture of the box is also hard, colorful, and I do not think it has a magnetic closure, but yes, it almost feels like a magnetic closure. Oh, and yes, they are celebrating their first anniversary, guys, as you can see here. And congratulations GLAMEGO box. I mean, you have really made subscription boxes available to everyone. I mean, these subscription boxes at one time were only affordable for the well-to-do people, but GLAMEGO has really made it very affordable. So this time it is a anniversary edition, and it says it has a Monsub black mask in it, which is worth rupees 1000, and it's an exclusive. It's available for the first time in the India, and yes, this is quite a nice one. And then we have some other products too. So let me just get all of them out. So the first product, like they said, is a peel of black mask from Monsub. So we have always used a lot of sheet mask from Monsub, and this time it is a peel of black mask, a charcoal mask from Monsub. Quite an interesting content. It's a 100 ml product. My skin is very sensitive and the peel off actually worsens it, and I do not have too much blackheads or whiteheads, but nonetheless I am tempted to try this. The next thing that we have received is a Bella Voste product. So this time we had a choice to choose one of the products from Bella Voste. It could be an eyeliner or a mascara, and I chose the mascara. I have used this before. This Bella Voste product is formulated in Italy and it is long lasting. The current mascara which I am using is also Bella Voste, the same one, and I love it. I have used it quite a bit, and it's really a long lasting one and has a good hold. Does not make your eyelashes look artificial, but makes it look thick and very natural. This is priced at rupees 399, guys. So just this one Bella Voste covers the cost of your box, guys. So happy to get this. The next product that I have received is an overnight leave-on pack from Blossom Coach's Aroma Magic. It is a reviving oxy pack. It's a sample size product, and this is quite interesting, and I think I am going to try this out. Then I have got a nail paint from Bella Voste in a pink shade. So it's raining pink these days. I have got too many pink shades. So the Bella Voste nail paint is quite okay. I am not too fond of Bella Voste nail enamels. And the last product that I have received is from Chronocare. This is the Polystop hair leave-on protection serum. So I'm quite excited about this. I do like using hair serums and hair protectants. So interesting product. I also love this brand as such. I mean, it has got some very nice products. I have used their oils, I have used their shampoo, I have used their face mask, I have used their moisturizer, and I have loved all their products, guys. So I'm very happy to get this product, and this is a 30 ml product, and guys, this is an expensive brand. It is worth rupees 395. So these were all the products that I received in my GLAMEGO anniversary edition, guys. I am impressed by this edition. One of the most affordable, and a box which takes care of all your needs, has branded products within and never disappoints you, guys. So I'm very happy with this box, and if you did like this, please go ahead and order yours. And with that, we come to an end of this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all, guys. Bye bye.